Hi everybody, we're here for a quick little unboxing. I have something here from Foxy and I'm going to open it real quick. It has something to do with these two little things here. These are the micro, or the number 0 notebooks. Let's see if I get the lighting. It's kind of cold, dreary, and rainy today. It has something to do with these little 0 micros. This one is the husband's, and this one is for my mother. And let's see. Oh my goodness, what is in this pouch? Okay, all that's left is some paper. Okay, so the first thing you can see is in this plastic bag, there are two small pen sleeves. This one looks to be like it is the spice in the Himalayan salt, maybe? And it has a cute little coffee cup with a heart on it. And this one looks like, it looks a little bit bluer than the poppy that I had. So it might be denim. I'm not sure. I'm sure someone that knows will comment down below what these two are. But I think it's Himalayan salt, either that or the rosé. And then this one looks like it might be the denim, because it's a lot bluer than my poppy was. So we got those, two little pen sleeves. Those are cute. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these adhesive pockets, which are really nice things to have if you have, you can not just put them on the leather insert, you can actually put them on like a, if you have like a nice piece of decorative cardstock, you can turn them into like a pocket folder. So there are, 4 sheets of those, so a total of 8. It's very nice. And then these are the Foxy Fix stamps. Remember when they used to have stamps? These are like the large square or rectangles in the different sizes. Very, very cool. Now, let's see what we have in this bag. So the first thing I see in this one are inserts and elastics. So these are like elastics, like jump bands. There's a yellow, a pretty blue, a pretty lime green, and an orange. And here we have a dot grid, 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 and another dot grid. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot grid inserts, which is wonderful. I was about ready to make some dot grid inserts, and now I don't have to because these have arrived. So some jump bands, some dot grid inserts, and this looks like there's lots of pockets or plastic dashboards. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I got 12 that are the secretarial folder. So those will be great to decorate or to hold receipts or money or anything like that. So there's 12 of those, which is amazing. And then it looks like the rest are the newest type that they have, that have the pretty little pedal tops. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of those. So those are the things that I got from Foxy Fix today. Oh, wait, there's also one of the standard normal where it's sealed at the top and the bottom. So 12 of the secretarial, 1 of the standard, and 13 of the pedal dashboards. So that is quite an amazing thing that Kelly and Jordan have sent. And these are going to be fun to play with, the stamps. I know they have very few stamps left, and so they're just sending like maybe 1 in each. But I wanted to try their stamps, but they sold out such a long time ago. Very cool. Like the one that I liked was the one that had the borders and the florals and all of that. So I couldn't get them, so I just learned how to draw my own. So there you go. We're going to have lots of nice things to go into these two micros or number zeros for my mother and for my husband. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will link Foxy Fix. I know the store is taking a bit of a hiatus right now due to the COVID-19, but they're doing a whole like rebranding and changing some of their leather types due to the inability to get some, and some that they've had for a long time wanting to kind of change their colors and designs up a little bit. So keep on the lookout for that. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.